Hello, this is Lance Cleveland. I'm going to show you some of the things I've been working on for Store Locator Plus 4 and the upcoming version of Tagalong for Store Locator Plus 4 version 1.1 that has a few new features in it. One of the new features is the ability to show an icon array for locations in the results. And the way that this is done is using a new shortcode in the enhanced results box where we can change the layout of the results. So in Store Locator Plus 4, we go to the User Experience tab, go to the results, and we can change the layout of our results by modifying this HTML code with some special shortcode handlers that are added by the Enhanced Results add-on and other add-ons like Tagalong. So one of the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to add the icon array underneath the results, and I'm going to put them over on the right-hand side of the map. So I'm going to go right here into my div for the right side column that's set up here. You can see that here, and I'm going to just add the new icon array and put it inside of a span class in case I want to style it, and save the settings. Now this is using the WordPress theme Genesis. That's what you will see here, and it is also using the Store Locator Plus theme, Genesis Monochrome, which works with the Genesis theme to do the basic styling of buttons and everything else that you're going to see on this page. And one of the things the Genesis Monochrome theme has are some special Tagalong styling in the CSS to manipulate how these icons and things are rendered. So with Tagalong, I can add that shortcode to my results, and you can see now I've got the restaurant and sushi icons. They've got little alt tags and title tags on it that will show you what each of the icons means. That is handled here by turning on the Show Icon Array. The default setting for older versions of Tagalong was to have that off. That did not exist. And in older versions of Tagalong, it would only show the first icon that was assigned, in this case restaurant, to all these locations. So this gives you the ability to keep the map markers. As you can see up here, the map markers, a little bit better view, the map markers all show the initial map marker setting. And with the new version, you also can now turn on the icon array, and then by using that little shortcode tag, you can actually show those in the results with a toggle here. So that's the first thing that's been added with Tagalong, is this icon array. The other thing that's been added is the ability to add a legend. So knowing what those icons mean is probably a good idea for most of your users, and you can add a legend by using the Pro Pack, which allows you to manipulate the overall layout of the page. So in this case, I'm going to use the Pro Pack setting for the layout of the entire page. I'm going to keep the search on top, the map in the middle, and the results on the bottom. But I'm going to now add a new shortcode called Tagalong Legend just above my results. So you can see I just stuck that in there between the map and the results and saved that setting. So now when I come back to this page here with the Pro Pack that's compatible with version 4 of Store Locator Plus, you can see it put the legend right here just below my map, and you can see what each of these things means down here. And you can of course add other formatting to that. I can show you that there in a minute. And the other thing is showing text under legend. You can turn that on and off. That will actually change the way the legend's generated with that Tagalong shortcode that you saw here. And that Tagalong shortcode, just by changing that one setting, will now allow you to remove or add the text legend underneath. So depending how you want to manipulate the layout here, you can turn that on or off. So that's Tagalong with icon arrays, and also icon legends are coming in Tagalong version 1.1, which is a Store Locator Plus 4.0 experience. And then of course you can do other things here in the layout. So as I said, you can put other HTML and tweak the look and feel of this area of the map. You can see it says legend up here. My styling happens to draw a gray box around it. I could probably change that in my CSS. It's all up to how you want to style it. There are also multiple things that you can do here because of the way these div tags and everything are set up, that you can actually do a lot more styling with CSS as well. I tried to put that into Store Locator Plus for more CSS accessible components and elements on the pages, and also tried to keep it so it can be responsive, theme friendly, meaning it will auto size on mobile devices depending on which WordPress theme you use. So that's it. That's what's coming in Tagalong version 1.1. That's what I've been working on the past few days, and hopefully if all goes well, we'll see Store Locator Plus 4 and all the new add-on packs come out at the end of the month, start of September at the latest. That's all for now. Have a good one.